Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shriyans Coding. Today we are going to learn about HTML, which is the base of web designing. To create a beautiful web page or website, we basically need the knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which we will be learning throughout the whole course. So let's begin and roll out. As we are learning HTML, we must firstly know that what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language is used to create documents on the web. HTML is meant for the meaning and structure of the web page content. HTML contains tags that organizes and structures the text, include images, creates forms and tables, and link to other documents or web pages all across the internet. Now HTML syntax. HTML syntax basically contains of tags, attributes and elements. Tags. HTML tags are the tag names which consist of angle brackets, which means here HTML is the tag name and these two brackets together consisting all these are known as tags. Now HTML tags usually come in pairs. That means they are available in the opening and closing tags, which means this first body tag is the opening tag and this tag consisting of backslash is the closing tag. Now tags. As I've already said before about the opening tag and closing tag, this is the example for that. Now attributes. Attributes are those extra information about the text. Like here we can see that this is the tag P, which means for the paragraph tag, and this attribute is the extra information like the height of the paragraph or the width of the paragraph or anything color consisting of it, and this is the value for that, like height equals to 500 pixels. Now elements. An element is a tag and the content it wraps around. For example, like we can see here the P tag and the closing P tag. Now between the opening tag and the closing tag, there we put some contents. Now this whole block of content is known as the elements. Now the complete syntax. This is the main syntax of the whole HTML. Now we can see this is the first HTML tag. Inside it we can see there is a head tag. Now again inside it we put the title tag and close the head tag, which means that inside the HTML tag there are different tags consisting. Now let's look a recap of what we have learned till now. Tags are those which only have the tag names, and attributes are which provide additional information to the tags, and the elements are the whole block of contents together with the content and the tags. Now as I've said before that inside HTML we have different tags, like inside the HTML tag there are head tag, title tag, body tag, which means that the nesting structure like HTML parent and HTML child structure. We will see this following in the examples, and if you are confused now you will understand later on. HTML parent or child structure. Now we can say that like HTML contains the head tag and body tags, which means that the body tag and the head tag are the child of the HTML tag, and the HTML tag is the parent of the both head tag and body tag. Here's an example for the nesting structure. We can see that the body tag is here, and inside the body tag we have one H1, which means the first heading, and H2, which is the second heading, and two paragraph tag. And even inside the last paragraph tag there are two different tags, EM and strong. Now let's understand about this. Explanation. The body is the parent of the headings of the H1 tag and the H2 tag, and the paragraph tags P and the second paragraph. Now the second paragraph is the parent of the EM and strong again, which means that the last second paragraph again consists of two child, which is the nested structure of the HTML. The body is the ancestor of the later elements rather than their parent. The headings and paragraphs are siblings, and the EM and strong elements within the one paragraph tag are siblings, which means strong and EM are the siblings, like the brothers and sisters we see in our family. They are the same thing. And the body is our ancestor, which means maybe you have made some sense. Okay, let's start now with our coding in the HTML editor. Okay, let's start now our coding on the VS Code editor. This is the VS Code editor. You can simply download it from the official site. Going to just search VS Code, and the official site will appear, and you can download it from the. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code editor, and to start writing the code, we simply go to the file, then go to new, and a new file occurs. Now you can simply start writing your code there. It's better if you first save it, because it will give you a proper way of writing. I'm simply saving it on the desktop. I'll name it as it is and save as HTML file. Now let's do the basic coding for a little knowledge of yours. Starting with HTML, this is the basic. After HTML, we have head tag, and inside the head tag, the title tag, you can add your title here, which you want to show on the URL bar, like Shriyans coding. Now let's go for the body part. Here, this is the part where you write the main coding of your web page. Sorry for the inconvenience. Here you'll write the body part. You can simply write "Welcome to Shriyans coding." Welcome to Shriyans coding, and simply save it. You can directly save by clicking on Ctrl+S. Now after saving, let's go and check it out, the code we have written. Let's go to the desktop and open the browser. This is the HTML file. Let's look. Here's the here's the Shriyans coding we have written inside the title, and this is the body part which we have written inside the body tag. Now for today, let's stop our video here, and we will continue our video on the next session. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.